All right, guys. So I'm going to explain to you today how I made $4,780. So this is ES Wednesday, September 27th, 2023. You're looking at the weekly time frame. So as you can see here on ES, the weekly time frame is very bearish. We made a lower low, higher low, and another lower low, and it doesn't look like we're going to stop just yet. However, we are rejecting a very key area, which is this right here, this level, which around 4281, we already rejected from. So we could potentially see a reversal to the upside very soon, which I would definitely be excited for. So the daily time frame is also very bearish, and as you can see, we're making lower lows and higher lows on the daily and have been for a while. Yesterday we successfully made a higher low with a massive bearish engulfing candle, creating another lower low. So this was all the confirmation that I needed to get into puts first thing this morning. I was super confident to get into puts. Weekly is bearish, daily is bearish, with a massive bearish engulfing candle suggesting a further move to the downside today. We got that higher low right there, got that lower low right here. Now, obviously, I like to use way more indication before I get into a trade. I don't trade the daily or the weekly. I just use it to assess the market. So, with all of that being said, that was a very strong sell off, and we had a pretty significant one today. So, let's go to SPY and explain where I entered and how I traded the day today. So, we're going to go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, I'm going to explain what's going on here. Is yesterday we had a lower low, followed by a higher low, followed by a lower low, and then this morning we gapped up, made another higher low, and then continued on to make another lower low, and then finished off the day with making another higher low. So as of right now, we are still in a downtrend on the 1 hour time frame and the daily and the weekly, so we're still very bearish. I'm not looking at calls anytime soon, not yet. And on top of that, is if you guys know this or not, but September is typically a very bearish month for SPY, for the S&P 500. It is historically a very bearish month. So that's another indication as to why we've been so bearish these last few weeks, for sure. So with the way that the price ended today, I could definitely assume that we could potentially go for another lower low tomorrow just because we made a higher low and we have not broken the trend or the structure for quite some time now. Okay. So the trend is strong and it is a downtrend. So we could definitely see a move lower tomorrow. So we will have to wait and see. Now, in the 50-minute time frame, let's get on these levels here. So the 50-minute time frame, okay, presented a very nice trade first thing in the morning. So because of all the bearishness, I was only looking at puts first thing this morning. So we had this nice green candle to push up the day and followed that with a nice bearish engulfing candle. I got in right when this bearish engulfing candle closed. This basically told me, okay, we made a higher low on the 15. Now we're going to make a lower low on the 15 and fill that gap, which we did. Now, I did not take profits at the gap fill only because the volume was so heavy and because there was so much bearish price action on all other time frames that I was expecting a much larger move to the downside. And on top of that, because we are still holding that 1 hour trend so strongly, if we go back and we look at the 1 hour time frame, guys, the 1 hour time frame made a beautiful higher low, right? And for that reason, I was looking for a lower low on the 1 hour time frame. So basically anything below the previous lower low, which was 425.23. So I was looking for a move past this level, which we definitely got. So I was happy about that. So when I got into that 15-minute trade here, I was looking for a move past this level down here. And we got that. So I was very patient on this trade. I sat through a little bit of chop, but that's completely okay because on the 50-minute time frame, our trend is downside. higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, failed lower low, and then reversal to the upside at the end of the day. So beautiful trend on the day today. Today was a very nice day for trading. So for me, what I did is when I got into that 50-minute trade here, right, that bearish engulfing was my confirmation. I got into that trade and I rode that thing all the way down to this level right here. At this level, 425.23, I sold 50% of my position, okay? Because I was looking for a lower low, but to be safe, I took 50% of my contracts out at the same low of the previous day. So we got a higher low there, and then with that massive bearish engulfing candle here at 8:30, that confirmed to me that, you know what, no, we're definitely going to make that lower low on the 1 hour, which in fact we did. So I sold the remaining 50% of my position at my daily level here at 424.43 for a massive 53.5% return on my investment for a total of $2,675 profit. Very happy with that trade. Now, like I said, we were trending beautifully today, and I was looking for maybe another trade. So we had this break of the daily, which I thought was very interesting, and then we broke above again, creating another higher low, because this candle here at 9:45 was another bearish engulfing candle, which confirmed the higher low and a move to another lower low on the 15. We got that move to the lower low, and I actually got in right here. So this candle closed at 10 a.m. and then at 10 a.m. we actually had a pullback. So I waited for the pullback to finish, and I got in at my daily level at 424.43, and I rode it all the way down to my level here at 422.79. That was it for me. I sold 100% of my position, and that was 42.1% ROI for a total of $2,105 profit, and for the day, 4,780. So very good trades today. Very happy with the moves. Today was a pretty easy day for trading because we were trending very, very nicely. Then we had this pretty random buy up at the end of the day. Now on the 15-minute time frame, it looks bad for puts, obviously, because this is definitely an uptrend on the 15, because as you can see, we had a failed lower low, so a lower high, and then a higher high. So trend change confirmation. So on the 50-minute time frame, we're in an uptrend. But on the 1 hour time frame, the time frame that matters more, we are still bearish and we are still in a downtrend and could potentially see a lower low tomorrow. So we will have to wait and see. But anyways, guys, that is how I made $4,780 today. If you'd like to learn more about how I execute my strategy, or you would like to trade with me, definitely comment down below on what you'd like to see me do next. But thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a wonderful day.